Hello there, Billy Manzano here. Well, I would like to talk about yung Gilas versus Hong Kong preview. Siyempre sa Gilas Pilipinas, under the new head coach, Tim Cone, siyempre he has this lineup na talagang sabihin na natin pamatagala, pampalaban as in, di ba? Siyempre, the preliminary squad are the likes of Dwight Ramos, Kai Soto, JMF, Junmar Fajardo, Scotty Thompson, Chris Newsom, Calvin Optana, CJ Perez, JB Malonzo, AJ Edu, Tamayo, and Kevin Cambao. Pero the problem is Junmar will unlikely suit up for Gilas because he had an injury on his left calf muscle na nasustain niya nung finals ng ng Commissioner's Cup na nanalo ang San Miguel. And then si AJ Edu, medyo on the recovering stage pa siya ng injury niya. So, yun nga, ang pumalit doon sa pwesto are LA Tenorio and Japet Aguilar. Pero yun nga, medyo naging alanganin pa yung kay Japet Aguilar kung maglalaro siya this window. Kasi kung sabihin natin ready siya. And this will be the first full-time full-time job kaya yung magiging gagawin ni Tim Cone dito? Well, ang masasabi ko lang dito is sana convincing way. Kasi I'm looking right now at Hong Kong. Ito yung mga lineup nila. Si So Chi Lok, yung Xiuwa, si Hon Ting Chi, si Ricky Yang, nandiyan si Ricky Yang, Tam Chus Kin, si Yong Xiu Ying, si Wong Chu Him, Oliver Shu, siyempre si Duncan Reed. Then you have Choi Lung Tak, si Liu Quan Ho, at si Chan Wei Feng. Well, when I see this lineup kasi, when I see this lineup, well, it's a small lineup talaga. Ang pinakamatangkad nila is si Duncan Reed. Outside of Duncan Reed, ang pinakamatangkad pa nila ay 6'4 lang. Pinakamaliit is at 5'10. So, sabihin na lang natin, advantage natin yon. Hindi natin ka-level ang Hong Kong dyan. Kasi ang Hong Kong, they're totally reliant on Duncan Reed. Yung low post moves niya sa loob. And he is their only main defender doon sa team na yon. And nakikita ko for Hong Kong, medyo underdeveloped pa sila na parang hindi sila katulad ng Chinese Taipei na shooting team sila. Pero nakikita ko some highlights na sumushoot sila sa 3-point range. Pero hindi sila ganun kapulido. Hindi sila ganun ka-accurate bilang shooting team, ika nga. Now, if you will talk about this game between Gilas and Hong Kong, I will say 30 points win. Gilas, Pilipinas. Pag medyo napaliit kasi yung lamang, medyo may konting pa yan eh. May konting haka-haka pa nga yan eh. Konting 30 points. Bakit ko sinabi 30 points? Kasi naalala ko, noong 2015 FIBA Asia Championship sa Changsha, talagang tinambakan nila yung uh, Hong Kong ng 51 points. That is the day after matalo sila sa Palestine na dapat winnable yon. Kaso nag-choke tayo sa dulo. Pero kumbaga, itong, kumbaga iparamdam natin sa Hong Kong na hindi nila tayo ka-level. Yun naman talaga eh. Yan ang dapat nating gawin. Going up against the team from East Asia. So, well, kayo guys, anong scope nyo dito? Are we seeing na Gilas can win by more than 30 points? Huwag nyo sabihin pag to 20 points. Ibig sabihin lang nun, may problema ang Gilas dito. Pero 30 points for me is enough kasi kailangan natin ng, sabi natin, intimidating factor. So, yun ang gusto kong i-message out. Sa nakikita ko naman with their lineup itself, laban naman eh. Kaya-kaya naman yun. Yun lang naman ang message ko. And well, for Justin Brownlee, I hope you will do another thing, another winning ways for Gilas Pilipinas, just like what you did in the Asian Games. So with that, I will say, good luck Gilas tomorrow. Convincing win dapat Kailangan makita natin na hindi natin sila kalabel. Yun lang. Thank you and good day.